Hey everyone, so today, now my printer's running out of ink, so that's why this is a terrible copy, but the colors are the gold eyes, the black mask, and then all the silver stuff. So I'm doing the Black Ranger today, and on my lids we're going to start with Goldilocks again. And I'm sure that NYX made a newer, jumbo crayon, but I was trying to look for it and have them all in like one thing, and only one I could find was their older gold, which looks more like a copper. So I removed my little round black from the 120. If for some reason this doesn't work, this broke. I tried fixing it by squeezing it, squeezing the silver part. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to go with Sugar Pills Black. So this is all coming out. I love this one. This is my Sonia Kashuk. It was perfectly rounded and domed, but they just all started coming out. So I guess when it's time to wash it again, it's probably just gonna all fall apart. And then just gonna go with Sugar Pills Tiara and put that as the highlight color. I'm gonna bring down that black a little bit. Or I should say bring it down into there. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and just try and blend out that black that I put there. And then go over the black where I don't want it on the lid, and just go over that with the gold. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm just kind of like blending it all in. I'm having a really hard time because this brush is broken. So I'm just gonna use black liner, lashes, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so these lashes, I don't know why, this is like drooping down. I keep trying to lift it. It's making one eye look smaller than the other. I don't know why. But anyway, I used peach, which is right here, this peach one, just to give my face some warmth because I was using a lot of black. And I don't know if it's because I had to like kind of scrape the black off the sides, but as every time I'm fixing my concealer and all of that, like I would like blink and I'd find black, like a chunk of black. It was like just falling all over my face. I knew I was forgetting something. Well, I just realized I didn't put any liner underneath my eye, so that didn't help the situation. So yeah, I even put mascara on the fake lashes to see maybe it would give my eye a lift, but that's that.